Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PS5 before you're selling it or something like that. So on the home screen here, let's go up to settings, scroll on down to system, then under system software, go down to reset options. Here it is, and then go to reset your console. All users and all data will be deleted. Console sharing offline play will be disabled for all users on this PS5. So just go to reset and your PS5 will restart and it'll bring you through the process for factory resetting your PS5. So this shouldn't take too long, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, and you should be good to go. Then connect it back to the internet if you want to go ahead and use it again to fix any kind of issues, and you should be able to download any kind of update. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.